Hello everyone, I'm in France and right now I'm in a very beautiful city called Strasbourg. And I'm staying in this hotel called Maison Rouge. And just right next to my hotel is the very famous Galerie Lafayette, where you get all the luxury brands. And I'm all fucked because I'm shopping from there every day, almost every day, because the Galeria Lafayette Mall is just next door to my hotel. And yesterday I got myself something from Chanel. So I thought, let me quickly unbox it and start wearing from today. So keep on guessing what I must have got from Chanel. This is so beautiful that I couldn't resist myself. And I just bought them. Let's see what I got from Chanel. Let's do the unboxing. This place is so beautiful, guys. If you happen to come to Paris, do come to Strasbourg. It's a very beautiful place, like Switzerland. And ta-da! Here you go. Yes, you guessed it right. I got myself a very beautiful pair of sunglasses from Chanel. And let's unbox and see which pair I got. This is the very latest, just arrived pair. This is the box which they have given me, and inside it's like about the product, and I like their box. It's pretty. And this is the very new arrival sunglasses. So there is she is so pretty. This is how it looks. When I saw it, I immediately knew that I want this pair. And this is how it looks. And there you go. Yeah, so that was my little unboxing for the things I got from Chanel. I bought this pair of sunglasses. You guys should go for it. This is so beautiful. I checked out their other pair also, but nothing was this good. And they have given me some perfume samples as well. They wanted me to buy some perfume, and then they give me some sample to try. If I like it, then I can go and buy later on. And this was a quick little unboxing for my sunglasses. And do let me know in the comment how you guys like this one. And it's available in their website also, because that's a very new piece. And if you guys wanna have a closer look, so this is it. Very classy, summery and evening. You can wear it everywhere you go. So right now I'm very busy going around and exploring the city more. The city is very beautiful. And thanks for watching. Bye. Bonne journée.